What's up guys, welcome to Men About Cake. I'm your host Joshua John Russell, and this week I'm super excited because I'm doing a collab with my cake bestie, Miss Ashley Holt of Sugar Monster Sweets in Brooklyn, New York. So I told Ashley she can decide what the subject matter is. I have a pretty good idea what it's gonna be, but we're gonna call her and see what she decided. You guys ready? Let's do it! Okay, let's call Ashley.
Hey boo.
Hey girl.
What you doing?
Just doing some episodes of Men About Cake.
I miss you so much.
I miss you too.
Okay, so listen. I'm sitting here trying to figure out what to eat for lunch, and of course, I always default to pizza. And National Pepperoni Pizza Day is coming up, and I thought it'd be the perfect opportunity for us to do a super fun collab together.
Yeah.
What do you think?
I think that's great. I can't eat pizza, but I'll make a cake.
I know. I think it'd be so awesome. We never get to work together. Well, not enough.
True.
So doing this together would be a great opportunity to just have some fun.
Yeah.
So I say you make a cake and I'll make a cake and we'll meet each other at the end and see who made what. What do you think?
I love it so much. Let's do it.
Get back to work. I know you're super busy with Man About Cake.
So busy.
My favorite show ever.
Aww.
And I'm gonna go hop in a swimming pool because it's hot as crap
jealous.
outside. Love you so much.
I love you too.
See you soon. I can't wait to see what you come up with.
Bye. I got it. I'm gonna make a pizza wedding cake.
Yes.
Yes. With red velvet and yellow cream cheese frosting, so it looks like pizza on the inside. The wheels are turning. I gotta get my stuff. I'm gonna start by breaking down an 8-inch red velvet cake. If you guys want these recipes, they're in the eye above me or in the description box below. We're gonna just level these guys. Okay, we're gonna fill this guy with cream cheese buttercream, but I dyed it yellow so it kind of looks like cheese, so that when we cut into this, it looks like pizza inside as well. I think it'll be funny. Sadly, I can't have pizza.
Joshua, I got us pizza for Pepperoni Pizza Day.
Dude, I can't eat pizza. Is there really pizza here?
Yeah.
Oh, that looks so good. I can't have cheese or gluten. I could probably take a bite.
But it's Pepperoni Pizza Day, man.
I know it is. Maybe I'll have like a bite of one. All right, first trip to the cooler, then we'll cut the sides, crumb coat, final coat. Let's go pizza. So I filled this with cream cheese buttercream, but because I'm covering it in fondant, I'm going to actually crumb coat and final coat with regular Swiss meringue buttercream, because sometimes, depending on the type of fondant you're using, the cream cheese will melt the fondant. I only had it happen to me once, and it won't ever happen again.
Were you using that acid cream cheese frosting?
The acid cream cheese frosting, it made me cry.
It's when you were making a cake for Dr. Evil.
Because I had to start over. And now the mayonnaise. Not a fan of mayonnaise?
I hate mayonnaise. Yeah, I don't like it either.
I love it with all my heart and soul. My mom used to make me peanut butter and mayonnaise sandwiches. They were good. I don't know if I'd eat them anymore.
Now we're gonna cover the cake with white fondant. I'm gonna roll this to an 1/8 of an inch thickness with some powdered sugar. Snow!
Hey, Joshua, you want to answer a user question?
Yeah, let's do it.
This one is very apropos right now. Randy Meyer asks, how long do you put the cakes in the cooler, parentheses, fridge, between each coat?
I would say maybe, what do you like, 20 minutes, 15?
15, 20?
Yeah, when you touch the side and it's firm, then that's when you're ready for the next step.
Save Us Milk Boy
What's up, Milk Boy?
says, JJR, can we see your design process one day? Do you draw stuff up? How do you choose the colors? I don't even make cakes.
Yes, I draw everything out. Colors, I get wrapped up on. So usually I go to fashion shows and then I pick out an outfit that I'm like, those two colors. That's why I watch a lot of fashion shows. But yeah, I don't see why we couldn't do like a sketchy something or another. That sounded sketchy. I mean, me sketching something at some point.
We could take it from sketch to real life.
There you go, sketch the cake. Looks like a marshmallow pizza. Speaking of marshmallow pizza, there's a show starring Fabio Viviani where they have to like spin this wheel and make outrageous pizzas. And there's one episode where they make, they have to put marshmallows on a pizza. It's really, really funny. I'll put all this stuff in the description box below. I thought it was hilarious. It's like a kid's show, but I giggled the whole time. Okay, so I'm gonna start by making my pepperoni texture. So I'm gonna add pepperonis to this, but I wanna make little divots where the pepperoni is gonna sit. So it looks like the cheese melted and the pepperoni kind of sank down like a real piece of pizza. And I'm gonna use this with this, do this with a ball tool.
Hey Joshua.
Yes.
I ordered us some pizza.
Thank you. Oh. I can't have it. I can't have pizza, guys. So I'm also gonna add a little area down here where like sauce would be, because you know how like there's crust and then there's like a little sauce and then cheese starts? So basically this like upside down piece of pizza. So we're gonna have crust that goes around here and I want a little bit of sauce showing. So I'm gonna just cut into where I want that sauce to be. All right, I'm gonna push it in just a bit so we have room for the sauce. Now it's time to add our pepperonis. I'm gonna put them into these little divots that I made. I have a piece of red fondant that I needed some sanding sugar into to give it texture, and then I let it dry out a little bit. I know that sounds weird, but we want this to have like crusty, crunchy pepperoni texture like it's been in the oven. We'll go back and airbrush to get more color, but I want texture too. So this is the only time I'm gonna tell you to roll out crusty fondant.
That really looks like hamburger.
It really looks like, I'm sorry, what?
Hamburger.
What does it look like again?
Hamburger?
I think it looks just like pepperoni.
Thank you, Brandon. All right, let's cut out some pepperonis. So I'm gonna stretch the petals in my hand. The petals, I'm so used to making sugar flowers. I'm gonna stretch the pepperonis in my hand to give them a little bit of a curve. And put a little bit of piping gel in here. It's gonna look really strange at first, but once we go back and airbrush, you'll totally get it. Pepperonis are on, and now we're gonna grab the airbrush and make this look like a real pizza. So for the top of the pizza wedding cake, I'm gonna make a little pizza slice bride and groom, which I think are gonna be so cute. I'm gonna cut these out of gum paste. So I'm gonna roll this out. And there's no cutter for a pizza slice that I want, so I'm just gonna kind of cut it myself. We're gonna score it. And we'll add the crust later, so this is just the slice with no crust. Okay, now we're gonna do texture similar to what we did with cake, but with a smaller end of the ball tool. Still have to make these little divots where the pepperonis will sit.
Joshua, you want to hear one more of the viewer comment?
I would love to.
This is from Victoria Adams.
Hey, Victoria.
I think you should make sushi roll cake. I mean, right? Come on! How cool would that be? Seriously, think about it. For sure.
Okay, she can come to dinner, I think.
When are we gonna have this dinner party?
I don't
And you
know.
invited a lot of people too.
No, just the ones who I think would be fun at the dinner party. Okay, so I'm gonna let this dry, and then I'm gonna add the pepperonis and airbrush just like I did the tier, and then we'll stick them on a stick, and they'll go in the top of the cake like a little bride and groom. Let's put our cake together. Okay, now we're gonna stack our cakes with bubble tea straws. I'm gonna put my pizza people up here, my bride and groom. I need to cut their skewers because they're aggressive. Whoa.
How do you and Ashley know each other?
We met through a guy named Rami who used to cut my hair in Atlanta, and that's Ashley's best friend. And one day I went in, he's cutting my hair, he said, hey, my best friend's on this cake show. And I was like, I don't really like watching cake shows because I do it all day long. Anyways, I checked it out because I thought, why not? I'm like, this girl's pretty cool. And then she came to Atlanta for something, and we hit it off like right away. I was like, this girl, like instant friends. And we've been like best cake buds for like 6 years now. I'm gonna put him like right behind her. So I took a little piece of edible lace, and that's her veil. wait, it gets better. He's got a top hat.
Oh my God.
I've got plenty of nothing. For the sauce, I already did this tier. I made, so this is strawberry jam that I strained to make it smooth. And then I added a little bit of orange because it was pretty dark red. I want to brighten it up, and a little bit of brown to make it look like marinara sauce. Our pizza wedding cake is all done, and I think she turned out super cool. Let's see what Ashley made. Oh, that's awesome. She's such a great artist. Guys, subscribe to the channel and check out Fabio's Pizza Show. It really is super, super funny. Next week, we're making an old school wedding cake. Let's eat her. Well, that's a good pizza.
Oh, you want some pizza? Aww. There was no money in the bank, Sandra.
Look at my skull. To live.
All right, get your crustiest fondant.
Get the crustiest fondant you can find. Just gonna smash it up like this.
Just mush it good.
There might be a hair in there, I don't know. I'm gonna put my little pizza peeper. Peeper? Pizza peeper. Pizza peeper.